shared parameters. In this video, we'll look at how we create shared parameters in Revit so that we can not only schedule our parameter, but also include it in our room tag. So to begin, we go to the Manage tab, and in the Manage ribbon, we pick on the Shared Parameter tool. And in here, in the Shared Parameters window, you'll notice that the shared parameters are kept in a text file, an external text file, which means that depending on where you've saved this text file, you can share it with the rest of the team. What we'll do is we'll create a new group. We're going to call this room finishes. Okay, and here we'll create a new parameter called wall finish height. It's going to be a text parameter. Okay, so that's fine, but once you've created the shared parameter, you need to include that in the project's parameter. So we are going to go to the project parameters, select add, and in here, instead of creating a new parameter, you select shared parameter, select, and here we'll go and select the room finishes. Okay, and once you've done that, you'll notice that it's put them in the parameter data. It's all grayed out, so you can't change that. It's an instance parameter, and here then I can select the category that it'll live in. So what I want it to be in is the rooms category. To OK, and OK. And if we go to the room schedule now and look at the fields, you will find that the wall finish height is in there. So we are going to add that into the schedule. I'll move that up to there. Okay, so you can see in the room schedule the wall finish height. Now what we need to do next is we need to include that in our room tag. I'm going to go into room tag that I've opened. So this is the room tag finishes. I'll select that in here, and here then I need to create a new label. Go to the Home tab, Labels. I'm just going to click anywhere in a window, and I'm going to create a new parameter in here, which is a shared parameter. I can select from the shared parameter under room finishes. OK, and OK, and you can see that it's there. I can add that, and I can give it a value of WH. Apply. OK, so we've got that there, and we'll just move it into place. I'm going to change the type. I'm going to edit the make a new one, which is 2.5 millimeters high. It's going to be transparent. It's going to be Arial narrow, and the text size is going to be 2.5. Let's load it into our project, which is the project parameters through project. We'll just use that one. And here we can place the floor finishes label. If you select that, you'll notice that there's a question mark in here. We can put in a code, which is SE08. Enter. So now we've got the code in there. Because it's part of the room parameter, we can look at the room schedule now, and you can see that in the wall finish height in that room, we have the height in there as well. So we can do the same for the other parameters that we'll need for this project.